Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have a look at another piece I found on AliExpress. It is a ring in the shape of a skull, sugar skull, I don't know. Apparently it's sterling silver, which is kind of exciting, and it is inspired by the work from Thomas Sabo, the Rebel at Heart collection, I think. At least that's what it reminds me of. And yeah, I'm pretty excited to see what this is all about. Thomas Sabo rings are really expensive. I think this piece in particular would be around 200, 300 bucks, and I paid like 10 for this one. And it looks pretty good. Gotta say, the detail and everything, it's pretty neat. Um, Teeth and all that looks good. Obviously, no branding in the back. They saved some material on the inside, but all in all, pretty detailed. The little stones and the beads, um, looking pretty good, I gotta say. Also, the black in between looks clean. There's a little bit of an overlay there, but all in all, really decent piece, I would say. Also, the little stones, they shine nicely and no sharpness or anything to it. Definitely a cool piece. Not sure how it will look like with the eyes being open like that, so let's just throw that on. Okay, it's a little bit on the bigger side, which is interesting. It's my normal ring size, so it feels like this is a little bit bigger than your average ring size. You can see it's moving quite a bit, but I do like the look. I'm digging that for sure. Feels comfortable and all that, so yeah, nothing to complain about that at all. Um, yep, and then you have to figure out which size you might need, because yeah, this is a little bit bigger than it should be, right? Oh well. Anyway, um, all in all, compared to an original one, this is like a real Tomosawa ring. Can tell it is looking pretty similar. The black stones are pretty much the same. Um, they have the same shine to it, maybe a little less, which actually looks better in my opinion. It gives a more masculine look. And the little beads here, they are pretty similar as well. Pretty surprised to see how close this actually gets. But yeah, let's put them side to side. Another original ring here. You can see it's branded. Um, you can barely tell the difference, to be honest here. Let's throw another one on here. If you combine all that, I don't know. I think it looks pretty good. So, yeah, I think we can call it a day. I will see you around. Take care, you guys. Until next time. And I'm out for today. So, take care. Bye.